So guys, I'm in Treasure Beach, Jamaica, and I am witnessing one of the most beautiful things ever. The sun is setting in Treasure Beach. We're on the south coast of Jamaica. Jamaica's south coast is one of the most beautiful places you can ever visit when you come to Jamaica, right? And now we're actually in Treasure Beach, and we're trying to get close up of the bird. Oh my god, look at those birds flying off in the sunset. What a beautiful sight. You need to visit Jamaica anywhere you are in the world. Jamaica is the place to be. There's no place like Jamaica, my homeland. I love Jamaica so much. I love my beautiful Jamaican people. I love the beautiful sunshine in Jamaica. I love to watch the sun setting in Jamaica. Jamaica to the world!